This is OBS hacking. Well, not OBS hacking, but I'm going to hack a pingback that you can find in my code. I'll show you how. First, join the main room because that uses the meat of the JavaScript. Well, all rooms do. It's down here for fast loading. Uncompiled version, and we search pingback. And we find this pingback here because it's called pingback. So I'm going to be like a little UBlock origin and get rid of this pingback. So we know it's in Giphy.js Analytics. I copied it. And we're going to look at, not shard, package.json, where I use two Giphy packages. Now if we look at the package yarn.lock and we look for Giphy.js Analytics, it's gonna tell us it's a dependency of JS components. So we're gonna go look Giphy.js components up on GitHub, and we get Giphy.js on GitHub. Looks like we have these components in here, so why don't we just search this repository for pingback? And we find pingback in here. This is the decompiled code of the pingback. We see this fire pingback, pingback.ts. Maybe we could look at these components. Import pingback from pingback. Import pingback from JS Analytics. Oh, so here we are importing pingback from pingback. So I think we open pingback.util like I did right here, right? And then we go ahead and we fork it. Oops. I'm not gonna. No. No, I'll make myself a burrito later. See this pingback function here? On GIF scene, it fires a pingback. El Mayo. On fire pingback, it fires a pingback. So don't be stupid and only patch out one of the pingbacks, right? So we take this blob right here, go right here. But I had it a 4 on my laptop numpad for some reason. And see how we're in this branch here? Switch to master. Hit the right button. And take these pingbacks. We're keeping the function so that we don't break the library. And then we have created a version of this. Fire pingback slow. That's gonna hit these fire pingbacks and blah 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 and hover and click, but it's not gonna fire the pingback.
There's nobody here.
Oh, I'm talking to YouTube. Let me look at how many users I have on YouTube. I am not flying MSFS. How many users I have on YouTube? I am not flying MSFS. How many users? I'm live on YouTube. Hacking. I have 1 viewer. So we just got rid of the pingbacks. Now the thing is with these, I like Giphy and stuff, but That feature ain't cool. But it's open source and we have a choice. And if we catch him doing it, we can stop him, and I did. So, okay, I'm not worried about the readme. Now, we go inside the package.json. And they haven't actually registered it. What did I have to do last time? Do I have to TypeScript build it? I should look at my Webpack configuration and look for, oh, should I type the convergent shit? How did I do that? I'm using my own convergence. If we look at my package JSON, looks like we do not have TypeScript loader. I don't want it either. If you look at my main, oh, I had to do this. Put it under Sterling. Okay. So we patched it. Oh, fan noise. If I do this, it'll go away, I think. A little better, maybe. Yeah, fan noise going down. Turn the mic down a little bit. Looks like someone has come online in Gibraltar and then left. We know now because we have the ding dong you saw me add on the last stream. Okay, now this is annoying about node packages, but we just have to keep trying. We gotta look for this at Giphy. They can claim their packages in a bunch of different ways, like these lesbians were on something, JavaScript. These lesbians were on JavaScript. Anyway, I'll just ruthlessly use their software and insult them at the same time.
Don't do that, John.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
That's so stupid.
I'm joking, though.
Why would you be like that? Why would you even say that publicly? It's like,
I said it privately.
no.
For Conan O'Brien joke spirit. Okay, now, you know, let's keep it serious. Oh yeah, we should go and look at our. They had you get both of these, but we really only need to cycle JS components. No, because if we use at that and at that, we get the fetch. So is this components here? This is just Giphy JS. Okay, so we're gonna want to clone it. So fetch API and components is in there. Let's just try adding. Someone's messing with me. Are you messing with me? We're gonna remove these here. Nasty packages that are kind of telemetrical. We really just need J's components though. That's not how they've laid out the repository. And look at how we were importing Giphy before. Right here, maybe? Where are we? We're importing that. We were just doing a Giphy fetch. That's why the ping was failing. But we don't want anything failing in this whole thing. Oh, we used to have rendered GIF here, but we don't need rendered GIF because it doesn't make sense. Oh, actually, because it's also hacked to render GIF not needed because of resolve. Because we resolve GIFs. No one's doing that. But you have to. If you don't want to link to Giphy in your chat. I don't. So we're really only using the fetch API. So maybe we don't have to use that hack of the component. Yeah, we don't. Let's just be smart. We don't have to add that. We don't have to remove the fetch API. So we'll add it back. And we'll not worry about that anti-ping back patch I did. Okay. Restart your server. It was that line importing the render GIF that was allowing JS components to load and start trying to do its crazy feminist ping back code.
Why do you have to go to gender and sex stuff?
I'm giving my viewers what they want, dude.
No, it's stupid, and it's not good.
I'm the Alex Jones of the computer world.
No, you're completely offensive, and you're like tone deaf.
Well, fine, what should I insult then?
Don't insult anyone.
I'll insult the Nazis. I'll say it was Nazi ping back code.
Just
It was Nazi ping back code.
don't use certain words. Okay?
Yes, good. Can't resolve Giphy JS components. 141. Oh, we didn't save our file. Gotta love quick ones when you get it quick, huh? Let's check how many people are enjoying on YouTube. Oh, PW's here. Oh. Got one person watching. We had two. Now we have one. As usual. So here our stuff compiled. Our way of testing this. Oh, main that bundle dot CS not found. Really? Why? Why would our CSS be not there and our JS would be there? Let's look for errors because this watch.build will watch.run will build. See here, this node npm. Yep, one high security vulnerability. We should try to get rid of it. It's just a DOS though. Just watching this, watching bundle.css. Okay, so it's a one-off error. That's happens in web development because it's a complex system. And we are going to, we preserved the log here. We don't see any of that. We navigated and we did not get that type error that the pingback was causing. So I'm just gonna commit right there because that's a bug fix, like right away. Okay. All this is package.lock. We can check status. I'm kind of wondering what's generating a package lock.json from npm. We want the yarn lock, the package JSON, the live pixel edit, git commit, and remove failed Giphy pingback by simply not requiring Giphy JS components into the code. It's not used because GIFs are rendered manually by the code. Git push origin. Oh, actually, we're gonna want to do git tag and make a new version. Oh, whoops. You gotta love how Git lets you mess up. It kind of does. It kind of does. Unless you mess up hard. Making master aware of the code and the tags again. Pushing to production so that we won't have a pingback against Gibraltar rules. Even though it wasn't working, people would see like, oh, pinging Giphy, it's pinging Giphy. And also, I think it was causing instability in my JavaScript code because this thing can throw an exception whenever it wants, and JavaScript is single-threaded. And yeah, please don't use telemetry and pingbacks. Thank you. It's not good for users or developers. But that's how they run Giphy, so don't listen to me. 99% of the internet's going to fit into Giphy's marketing model when they put it on their blog commenting section. It's not going to work here. So sorry, Giphy team, if you're mad at me. I am just trying to make my app more stable. You can see now if we search for pingback, we're not finding it. We're finding pingback IDs and stuff in Giphy fetch. So maybe there still is pingbacks, or they're just making a pingback ID. Let's just check for pingbacks, really. They're not legal in Gibraltar. All I see is pingback ID coming out of JS util. I don't think it likes how fast I'm searching. Here, stop it, dude. Find pingback, dude. Pingback. See how they all say pingback ID? That was used. So it looks like the API wanted to get a pingback ID to send through the render component And we're not allowing them to do that. We're just allowing them to set the pingback ID and not make any. It looks like it is sending the pback ID though in this. So they know that our API and our ping, they can link our site to our API key. That's what they can do. But they can't track our users, and they can't link you back to Giphy. So Giphy team, sorry, that's how I wanted it. If you don't care, I love you. Trying to help the noobs. So we removed a Giphy pingback. It's live. That's 1.1.3. In a while, we're going to see if that fixes my t-shirt store. I don't think it does. So hello to all the 2-letter names, if you're still here. Hi. If not, I'm a damn fool and my thing sticks too much and I should go back to pinging. I don't know yet. I like instant presence notification. It uses less bandwidth what I'm doing because I made my system faster. Use Redis more. And supposedly it can go above 2 processes. It's soft. It's more efficient. Slower systems use bandwidth more because they transfer more data and slowly all drop. It's highly optimized. It is highly optimized, doesn't ping anymore. Let's check YouTube. One concurrent viewer. Hello, concurrent viewer. Hello, viewer. Okay, yeah, this Giphy, if you wanted to include the JS components and still not get pinged back, you could use Mixlane Giphy.js. That got made for no reason. Well, yes reason. Because pingbacks are illegal on Gabondo. And we could tell when there's pingbacks because I'm constantly monitoring the devlog and all HTTP traffic shows up in the devlog, so very scary hacking. So let's see if there was a ticket about that. Pingback. Giphy. No, there wasn't, but I knew about it and I didn't want it there. Add collaborative text editing. This was solved. So we'll do some you know, I don't want to disable camera by default. Rake the garden here. Disallow your disallow your camera if you just want to watch and you don't want to join. What's coming on? Oh, now OP's here. Maybe someone has found out that you can spam this and I need to go back to pinging. Which can be done, so please don't spam the user list. I really would rather have instant presence notification. If I could only detect on the server when they disconnected the WebSocket. That's an interesting thing. I don't know why you can't. I'll have to ask my core team. So yeah, there's my Giphy fetch API key. Hopefully nobody sits there and copies it down, Giphy will ban it, and then I'll have to change it. So no, please don't do that. I don't know why they would put that in your JavaScript front end source code. It's kind of a silly idea for a service, but the rest of the internet's more liberal, and they're like, yeah, ping back on me. Yeah, link me to another site. Yeah, you know, and like SoundCloud. Yeah, SoundCloud, steal all my music and lock it in this huge JavaScript cage, and that's not what this site is about. So it's not allowed here. Um, Here we're using a couple stun and turn servers if you're interested in that, including my own IP. So we're turning through there, and that's working great if you're interested in that. Let's go back to the tickets, look through it. We did add support for predefined palettes. That ticket's technically done. We could add more palettes. That's not really hacking, that's just artistic enabling. We may do it later tonight. We really did implement scalable press. That ticket's done. You could tell it's done. We did implement. Doesn't work very well. Needs fixes. It's different. Okay, these are the real tickets. 20 tickets. You don't want it to go stale because... Oh, we do really have 10 users on there. That's cool. You don't want it to go stale because... then the project will like DIE because I'll get lost, and yeah, we don't have that. We have 20 tickets in 1.1.3. So yeah, where we should go is mobile layout, and we should do more palettes and more brushes, and just leave the features alone for now. Leave the t-shirt store alone for now, I guess. It's not really stable. Also, alright. So that's where I'm going to leave this live stream off for now. We successfully got rid of the Giphy pingback. That's good for my JavaScript because it was throwing an exception. Because it was blocked by the client for some reason. Probably because it's a pingback. It's a cross-origin pingback. And I don't know. Giphy team, if you're watching, you want to fix your pingback. Notice that it was blocked by client. If you want to remove Giphy pingback and still use the render, get my JS components from Mixflame. And if you simply want to do what I did, keep the render API, resolve the GIFs yourself, and just don't load JS components. Thank you, and I'll see you